Hi, we are students at the German University in Cairo. Today I will introduce you our project, our digital system and design project. First of all, we formed a team of five persons: Ahmed Amr Ismail, Ahmed Abdelrahim, Mohammed Ayman, Mohammed Khalid, and me, Rania Abdel Fattah. Our project is about a parking. When there is a free place in the parking and a user presses the button, then the gate opens and the counter is decremented by 1. Inside the parking, there is a sensor that checks if there is a car or not, and a LED. When the LED is turned to green, then the place is free and it contains no car. When the LED is red, it means that there is a car and the place is not free. When the parking is full and a user tries to press a button, a buzzer will turn on and the gate is still closed. And now I will let you with my colleague to continue with you.
Hello, my name is Mohammed Ayman. Now let's talk about what Rania said. Our main project is talking about a parking lot, and now I will talk about the gate procedure. When I flip this switch, the gate opens by an angle of 135 degrees. And when I flip it back, first when the car passes through, the motor will open through this switch by an angle of 135 degrees. And now when I flip it back, it will switch off.
I'm Ahmed Amr Ismail, and now we're going to discuss the servo motor and how it works. First, the servo motor uses voltage 5 volt VCC, and it's supposed to do the following. Whenever it takes the value 1, it rotates with the angle, or opens with the angle 135. When it takes the value 0, it closes with the value negative 135. Now we're going to discuss how the circuit works and why we use the circuit. As I mentioned before, we need the 5 volt to access or to use the servo motor. So we connected the VCC with the servo motor in order to achieve such a function.
Hello everybody, my name is Mohammed Khalid and this is Ahmed Abdelrahim. Now Ahmed will talk about how the procedure of the car when it enters the parking will work.
Our parking system simply works like the city stores parking. There's an infrared sensor which detects the presence of a car in a certain place. When I enter the parking, I see a red green light. When I see the green light, it means that there is a place here. However, if the place is not empty, the LED shows a red light. And now let's go to Muhammad to explain the technical part of the parking system process.
This is our IR sensor and this is our RGB LED. The sensor, the IR sensor sends a wave and this wave is reflected back to the sensor when it hits an object. And according to if the wave is sent back to the sensor or not, the RGB color, the RGB LED color will change to green or red. And now I will let Ahmed Abdelrahim simulate this process to us.
And now let's assume that this car is our car that wants to park inside the parking. Let's assume that it go for the green light. In order this green light means that there is a slot to park in. It goes through the green light. When it park inside the cell it assigned to, the IR sensor assigned to, the light changes to red. If it wants to leave, the light changes into green.